Mike had $5.67 in his pocket. Which collection of money could be Mike's change using the least number of bills and coins? Which collection of money could be Mike's change using the least number of bills and coins? And I know that he has $5.67. Okay, so let's look at this. Here's a $5 bill. This is a quarter, 3 dimes, 2 nickels, 2 pennies. My quarter gets 5 little hairs, my dime gets 2, my nickels get 1, and my pennies get a bun. So we're going to skip count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67. So this is $5.67. But I'm not done. Remember, I want the one with the least number of bills and coins. So let's look at this. But I also need to make sure that the total number of money represented is $5.67. So I can't just count the bills and coins and think that it's $5.67 because it may not even equal up to what it's supposed to. So let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A dime, a nickel, 2 pennies. So I'm going to skip count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67. Well, these are both the same amount of money, but this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces of money, whether that's bills or coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I can already count that one out because it has more money, or it uses more pieces of money. Letter C. I have a $5 bill, 2 quarters, 1 dime, 2 pennies. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62. This is $5.62. That does not work here because this is supposed to be $5.67. Your correct answer is A.